A Russian multipurpose fighter bomber may get a one-seat variant as an attack aircraft, Russia's Aerospace Force ex-commander and chairman of the Federation Council Defense and Security Committee Viktor Bondarev told TASS on Wednesday. "My opinion is that a new attack aircraft should be made on the Su-34 after all. This is a splendid plane. It is maneuverable and has 8 tons of the bomb load against 4 tons carried by the Su-25. I believe that it is simpler and easier to make a cockpit for one pilot and leave all the rest as it is," he said. "A new attack aircraft will actually have the same engines as the Su-34, he added. An attack aircraft will always be needed. The Su-25 has been upgraded to the Su-25 SM-3 version. It is a very reliable airframe and huge modernization and repair potential. I believe it will fly for another 10-15 years. Naturally, we will have to replace it eventually, and today various options are being considered," the Aerospace Force ex-commander said. As a source in the defense industry told TASS, experimental design work on developing an attack aircraft on the basis of the Su-34 bomber is expected to begin in 2018. Russia's defense ministry signed the first contract on the delivery of Su-34 aircraft groups in 2008. The Russian armed forces are expected to get a total of 150-200 such planes. This aircraft can carry up to 8 tons of combat load and develop a speed of up to 1,900 kilometers per hour, and its operation range is 4,000 kilometers.